goodbye and good luck. Please say, guys, everybody say goodbye and good luck in the chat. Also, can we hit 422K as my final goodbye? Please, guys. 9 more subs. Come on. That's all I want. Just 9 more subs, boys. All right. Here we go. Let's do this. Goodbye, everybody. I'm not going to see you guys for a while. I'm going to miss you all very much. Very, very much. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys don't forget about me while I'm gone. This will literally be the longest break from streaming I've ever taken. Have a beautiful night, everybody. And always remember, my beautiful friends, no matter what happens, don't do